There we go. Okay, so we're going to add 9 to both sides because, yeah, we want to get 5 to the 2x by itself, right? So then I got 5 to the 2x is equal to 14. Okay? Now we want to be able to change this to logarithms. Remember, what it's in right now is a base raised to the exponent is equal to a number, right? Okay? And then what we're going to do is change that so that it's the log of a base, right, of a number that equals the exponent. So, people, we should know this. Log equals, right? And so just think of it, one thing at a time. Base, base, base. 5. Number, number, number. 14. Exponent, exponent, exponent. 2x. That's simple, guys. We got this. Okay? Now, to solve this, right, we need that rule. Log of the base of x is equal to log of x over log of b. Okay? So, that means log of 14 divided by the log of 5 is equal to 2x. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Alright? Then you got what we got? Log of 14. It equals divide log 5 equals, okay, divide by 2 equals. So, x is equal to 0.819869. Okay, or we got to. Seriously? Hold your breath. Stand on your head. Drink the water.
I can do that. I'm drinking water. I'm getting pissed off. This fucking sucks.
Alright. Questions? Moving on. Next. If I were to ask you, the log of x were equal to the log of 5, what would x be? If the log of x equals the log of 5, what's x? 5. It's not that hard, right? Okay? They have the same base. They have to be the same, right? Same thing. These have the same base. These have to be the same. So 2n minus 2 must equal 3n. It's just algebra. Minus 2n minus 2n, negative 2 equals n. Oh, I'm done. I didn't even know it. Okay? Now I'm going to do 36 before I do 35 just because, well, you know, it's easy. Okay? Alright, here we go. I want to get rid of the denominators. So I multiply by a denominator that's common. Okay? What's common in all of them? X 2, but that wouldn't get rid of the 4, right? The x wouldn't get rid of the x squared. The 2 isn't going to get rid of the 4, but the 4 will. The 4 will get rid of the 4, and it gets rid of the 2. The x squared will get rid of the x squared, and it will get rid of the x. So, multiply everything by 4x squared. Right? Greatest. Well, this was the LCM, the lowest common multiple, lowest common denominator. Right? Now, everybody on the block gets a paper. When you multiply this, you got 3 times 4 is 12x squared over x squared equals 4x squared over 4x squared minus 4x squared over 2x. And now, the 2 cancels the 4 and gives me a 2. The x cancels this and gives me an x. These cancel to give me a 1. The x squares cancel and give me a 12. Algebra. Okay. Plus 1. 2x equals 13. Divide by 2. X equals 7.5. Cake. Okay? Alright, what's next? What's next? What's next? What's next? Logarithms. This is the harder one. Okay? So, what do we do when we subtract logs? Come on. The log of A minus the log of B equals log of A divided by B. Right? So when we subtract, we divide. When we add, we multiply. Okay? So, all that means is we have the log of base 6 of x squared plus 5 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Okay? So we just put it all together. Now, we're going to do the same thing we did over here, except backwards. It's the same thing. Log base b of a number is equal to an exponent, right? And so what we're going to do is do the base, right? Raised to the exponent is equal to the number. That's it. So think about it. Base, 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 6. Okay? Exponent, 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 2. Number, number, number. X squared plus 5 over 5. And now it's just algebra. Multiply both sides by, let's see here, use a color I don't got there. Multiply both sides by 5, right? Think about that. What's 6 squared? 36. 36 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. That's 150 plus 30. Right? My math okay?
No.
Alright, next what do I do? Minus 5. Minus 5, that's 175 equals x squared. Well, that's not nice. That's not a perfect square. Because I know 225 is a perfect square. 144, that's a perfect square. 169, that's a perfect square. But 175, that ain't perfect. That's like 13 point something, right? Because 169 is 13, so that's 13 point something. but that's not what they want. They want x is equal to the square root of 175. So we got to take 175 and break it down. 7 and 1 is 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 does not go into it. 2 does not go into it. 5 goes into it. 5 goes into 17. 3 times with 2 left over. And 5 times. 5 goes into 35 7 times. 7 goes into 7 once. That means there is a pair of 5s. So x is equal to 5 square roots of 7. It's all algebra 1 stuff. Right? This, algebra 2, pre-cal. This, algebra 1. Good? Questions? I think I still got time. Yep. Questions? Anything? We all good?